Wave. Oh, sure, get on camera. Climb up. Hi. Hi, sweet. Wave your hand. Wave to me. Wave, child, like you've done for the last 10 minutes. Well, now you cry. Alright. Okay, let's watch you try to get out. Ready? Go. Hi. You sweet girl. What are you gonna do? She's got a pumpkin apple. Oh, there she goes. She's waving. Hi, sweet. Careful.
Look at me.
Cute. Did you put those on? Those are cute pajamas. Checking out your sisters. They're pretty interesting, aren't they? Okay, you done waving? Okay, I guess it's time to wipe your face off. Say bye. Bye.